Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another quarantine lookbook because, well, we're still in quarantine. First outfit is this really cute dress. It's just really comfy that I kind of just throw on in place of like a robe or something around my apartment. And then my husband's sunglasses, because I lost all mine. I have no idea where any of them are. Also threw on a pair of comfy flip-flops, which you will see throughout this video because I'm not walking around in shoes around my apartment, so these are just the shoes I throw on before I go take a video outside. This dress, by the way, is from Charming Charlie's before it went out of business. Next looks a little mismatch, but my husband and I lay out pretty much every afternoon whenever it's sunny. And this day we went to go lay out, and this is basically what I lay out in, just a top from Fabletics and some Nike shorts, and again flip-flops and my husband's Oakleys. And then just a normal velvet hair scrunchie I got off Amazon because they don't break my hair. And I pull my hair up whenever I'm out, obviously, because it's pretty warm here now. So I always try to keep one of these on my wrist. I did not do a very good job, but I have no mirrors and no one other to tell me otherwise. Oh well. And the next outfit is one that I mentioned a little bit in my last lookbook video. These are the shorts that I got while I was in Singapore, and I lost them pretty soon after I got home. And I recently rediscovered them, and I found them somewhere hidden in the back of my closet, and I've been wearing them so much because they're so comfy. The shirt is also pretty comfy because it's kind of like the theme for quarantine is being super comfy without looking like you're too comfy, you know what I mean? You don't want to look like a potato, you want to be comfy like a potato. And this is one of those outfits that's just really good for that. But the shorts are from Cotton On, and the shirt is from Target. Here's another old dress I've had for a while. I got it from Target. It's just a big, comfy, oversized t-shirt, essentially. It's a dress. Perfect for lounging around during quarantine. It's a little short, so I don't really wear it out, which is one of the many reasons why I just kind of wear it around my apartment. Every time there's a little bit of a gust of wind, I'm at a very high risk of showing off my underwear to the world. Today's hair scrunchie is a little different. It's one that I actually made myself. I made it from some scrap fabric from making face masks. So no quarantine lookbook video is complete without sweatpants, and these are my favorite pair that my husband had gotten for me from Walmart. I'm also pairing it with a fun crop top. I like wearing fun anime designs whenever I'm just lounging around my apartment. This outfit is perfect for binge watching anime, which I've been doing a lot lately. So if you have any anime recommendations, please leave them in the comments. I'm always looking for new anime to watch, especially now that I have more time on my hands. Next outfit is those comfy shorts from Singapore again, this time paired with just a slouchy black crop top from Charlotte Russe. Is it Russe or Russe? I don't know. Either way, that's where this top came from. It's just a basic boxy black t-shirt. It's not 100% cotton, so this one did not get sacrificed to be made into face masks. When I was cleaning out my apartment, I found a bunch of black t-shirts, and most of them got turned into face masks. Like this one, for example. It's one of the first ones I made, so it's not perfect, but it'll do for now. I'm still learning, so I'll get better at it. Last but not least is this shirt that I made myself, actually. The bottom part of it, or the actual like shirt part of it, is made from an old black t-shirt I found, one of the many black t-shirts I found, and the over the shoulder ruffle part is from a Harry Potter fabric that I found at Walmart. I followed a tutorial that I found on YouTube, which I will link down in the description. Here's just a slightly more close-up so you can see a little better the print on it. I also made a hair scrunchie to match with some of the scraps. I still got a little bit of work I need to do on this top because after seeing this video I'm realizing that it's a little too loose in the back and I really need to tighten up the elastic some. Speaking of making face masks, I made a face mask to match this as well. There was a good bit of fabric left after making the ruffle. I really liked how this shirt turned out, so I'm definitely going to be making another one. If you would like me to make a video on how I made this shirt, or any of the other DIY projects I mentioned in this video, just leave a comment down below and let me know what you'd like to see. Also, if you just like this video, please like and comment. If you want to see more like it, please hit that subscribe button. Bye!